It's a beautiful day. Doing a little painting. Just got back from Walmart a little bit ago. It's always an energetic gang rape of, you wouldn't even believe it, but it's tough. It's okay though, we're doing good. Man, actually doing really, really good. Yoga is getting stronger. Feeling amazing. It's a beautiful day in the Hood Canal. Yes, I am painting. It's a good day though. It's a good day. Full moon. I'm already ready. It's all good. Bring it. Bring it. It's been about a week and a half of solid spell work. But it's been good. I love it actually. It makes me so much stronger. So thank you. Thank you, friends. I love you. I forgive you. Let's go. Let's keep it going. I love you.